Welcome. In this video we are going to learn about cytoskeleton. What is cytoskeleton? It's a network of different type of filamentous protein in cell. They are located in nucleus and cytoplasma both. There are three main filamentous protein: microfilament, microtubule and intermediate filaments. As we are earlier talked about different type of filamentous proteins, so what are they? Cytoskeletal filaments are categorized in three type. One is microfilament, which is made up of actin molecule. Second is microtubule, which is made up of tubulin molecule, and third is intermediate filament, which is made up of keratin family protein. You can see in picture in slide. So now we discuss about each filamentous protein. Now look at the microfilament structure. Microfilaments are nothing but a actin filament, which means it's produced by only actin protein. Such a molecule joined to with each other and form a thread-like structure. This 2 to 3 thread get wrap around itself and made microfilament. It's have a 7 nanometer in diameter. As you can see in GIF, it's abundantly present in cell. It's play a major role in contraction of cell and muscle also. Here you can see the where and why actin is present in cell. In both GIF you can see the actin filament are responsible of movement. Rather than that, it has a function like to provide mechanical strength to the cell by forming a band under the plasma membrane. Link transmembrane proteins to cytoplasmic proteins. Generate locomotion in cells such as white blood cells and amoeba. Interact with myosin to provide force of muscular contraction. So we are now moving on second cytoskeleton component. It's made up of tubulin dimer. So two types of protein work together to form a microtubule. One is alpha tubulin, second is beta tubulin. This both form a dimer. And such many dimer form hollow tubular structure. As you can see in second figure, total diameter of microtubule is 25 nanometer. Here's some function of microtubules are. Microtubules participate in a wide variety of cell activities. They determine the positions of membrane-enclosed organelles and direct intracellular transport. You can see in right side. The migration of chromosomes during mitosis and meiosis takes place on microtubules that make up the spindle fibers. Left side you can visualize. Some eukaryotic cells have flagella and cilia-like structure for movement. Such structure are made up of microtubule. Flagella have rod-like structure. Normally it has 9 protein ring arranged one by one and form hollow tubular structure, but cilia have another 2 thread-like structure at the middle of it. As the name suggests, diameter of intermediate filament is somewhat between the microfilament and microtubule. It is produced by keratin family. This is again a type of polymer. But keratin is fibrous protein itself. In case of microtubule and microfilament protein are not fibrous themselves, but they join together and make a fibrous protein. Here you can see in right side of slide 2 fibrous protein join together and join with another fiber dimer and altimetry form a filament. Left side of slide you can see different type of intermediate filament. Intermediate filaments, intermediate in size at 7 nanometers, are specialized for bearing tension. Intermediate filaments are more permanent fixtures of the cytoskeleton than are the other two classes. They have great tensile strength. Here you can see differences among all type of cytoskeleton component in tabular form for your understanding. I hope you understand. Thank you.